Hello, welcome to my studio. Because you're not able to visit in real life this year, I've decided to make a virtual tour showing you behind the scenes and some of the inspiration for my work. The first thing that I wanted to tell you about were my how-to videos and my Instagram lives. I'm going to do an Instagram live on Saturday the 15th at 11 AM talking about how to wear lace jewellery. And on my YouTube channel, you'll also find some extra videos on there. And then behind me here, you'll see some of the work that I made for my MA over the last couple of years. These lighting installations were made using lace, laser cutting and engraving, and LED lights. And you can see the shifting colours and patterns that are made from the shadows make this incredible dynamic display. I've used an idea that I developed called text as picot around the edge of the lace motifs, and that was a way of introducing a narrative into my lace. I'm really looking forward to showing these items in real life. The other thing about having a dedicated studio here is being able to keep my own kind of library and archive of samples and designs from the past. I've got samples of lace, but also kind of design books and other textiles, photography and ceramics. On the top of the shelving unit, you can see here the ceramics and lace designs that I made as a part of my Porcelace collaboration with Samantha Robinson. And we exhibited this at the National Centre for Craft and Design in Sleaford in 2015. I've also got other work from my favourite ceramicists, including Jill Riley, Katie Lowe and Kate McBride hiding behind there. And then on the end, you'll be able to see this latest piece of mine, which is an adaptation of the poem The Chambered Nautilus by Oliver Wendell Holmes. I just wanted to give you a little kind of idea of what goes on behind the design. So the reason that I was working on this, I wanted to develop some of the ideas that I'd started in my MA. For example, using the handwritten text as a picot edge to the lace. I developed it in laser cut as an edge to the frame mount. And I was also interested in using fringing and thready kind of bits that are coming out of the lace, and I'm really enjoying working with fringing at the moment, and this is all stitch. The idea of using the Nautilus came from a visit that I made to the Natural History Museum in London, and one of the fossils that they've got on display there, and I found the poem and just kind of married the two there. Well, that's the end of this little virtual tour. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for joining me. I hope to see you again in real life soon. Don't forget, you can buy my lace jewellery online, or you can follow me on Instagram, sign up for my newsletter. Hope to see you again soon. Bye.